A Live Wallpapers Maker 3D for Android is a versatile application that empowers users to design and personalize dynamic wallpapers for their devices, adding a layer of interactivity and visual flair to their screens. These applications typically feature a wide range of tools and options, allowing users to select from pre-designed templates or create their own unique wallpapers from scratch, encouraging individual expression. With the capability to incorporate 3D elements, animations, and various effects, users can produce stunning animated backgrounds that transform their home and lock screens into captivating displays. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the device, but also provides a more engaging user experience. Moreover, many of these apps offer customization options for colors, shapes, and movement patterns, enabling users to tailor their wallpapers to reflect their personal style and preferences. The best live wallpaper makers are designed to be intuitive and feature-rich, often including a community platform where users can showcase their creations, explore others' designs, and download wallpapers crafted by fellow enthusiasts. In summary, these applications not only enrich the visual experience of Android devices, but also serve as a creative outlet for users, allowing them to express themselves in a fun and dynamic way.